Hi there, this is Victoria from crushcrypto.com. For this video, I will be reviewing an upcoming ICO project called Uranus. As always, we are not paid or mandated to do any of our reviews. This is just a personal opinion and analysis for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Please always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Uranus is creating a blockchain-based platform that provides efficient, cost-effective, and decentralized computing services for its users. It aims to tackle the issues facing current public cloud solutions, including data security risk, lack of flexibility, difficulty in migration, and high cost. To do this, the team proposes to leverage redundant computing power around the world using scalable public blockchain and distributed container technology. The platform will ideally scale to hundreds of thousands of computing power contributors, app developers, and resource users. Their goal is to track over 500,000 resource contributors and users by the first quarter of 2019. Any distributed node can be used as Uranus nodes, including computers, servers, set-top boxes, embedded terminals, IoT nodes, mobile terminals, and so on. The platform will function as a blockchain as a service and provide one-click deployment and app supermarkets for other nodes on the chain. Key components of the platform include Urachain, a 4-layer blockchain architecture comprised of a storage layer, network layer, protocol layer, and extension layer. It utilizes proof of contribution mechanism as its consensus algorithm. UraBlock, which supports basic public blockchain, cross-chain, forking, optimization of consensus algorithms, extended off-chain services, and fair service supply measurements. UraEngine, an infrastructure module used for large-scale scheduling and automatic deployment, extension, and management of containers. And UraContainer, which utilizes enhanced container tech to ensure both security as well as speed and manageability. The project's white paper discusses other technical features of the platform in detail. The platform is still under development, and their future development roadmap is divided into 5 phases as shown here. The closed beta test and the first community version is expected to be released in the 3rd quarter of this year. There is currently no MVP or prototype available yet until the end of September. The team will be raising funds by issuing URAC tokens. The hard cap is 35,000 Ether, implying a fully diluted market cap of around $48 million on the ICO date, using the current Ether price of $480. Details on the public token sale, including the conversion rate, potential bonuses, and key dates will be provided by the team soon. Whitelist registration forms will be posted in a few weeks. For the latest information on their ICO, please check their official website and join the Telegram group for updates. The URAC token is the network's native token and is used to purchase computing power, govern the ecosystem, gain voting power, and elect validators. The token will be used to incentivize various users of the platform. Resource providers provide computing power to the network and are rewarded with tokens based on the value of their contribution. Value is determined based on various factors, including computing power, uplink bandwidth, shareable storage space, available memory, and effective online duration. Resource users purchase computing power from the providers through a client interface using URAC tokens. Smart contracts are used to generate a price and a purchase agreement to facilitate payments. Validators are responsible for generating blocks and are required to stake URAC tokens. In exchange, they are rewarded with tokens for successfully completing blocks. The platform will leverage various mechanisms, including delegated proof of stake and proof of contribution. For example, proof of contribution is used to schedule computing power containers. Machines with a higher contribution value are more likely to be scheduled and allocated to users, and therefore will earn more tokens. URAC tokens should appreciate in value as more participants join and use the network. This is in turn driven by numerous factors, including the availability and pricing of computing power, processing speed, security, and so on. According to LinkedIn, Beijing Uranus Technology was established in 2017 and is based in Beijing, China. The team is currently comprised of at least 19 people, with 2 members on the executive team, 6 technical advisors, and 11 people in product development. The biographies of the key team members are summarized on this slide. Investors of the project include Acropolis Capital, Async Capital, BitcoinWorld.com, BitGoGo, Bishin Capital, ChainTed, CoinBean, Do Capital, Imagination Fund, and Stars Capital. So what are some of the project's opportunities? The project is backed by a strong team from a technical perspective with expertise in open source technology, cloud computing, containers, virtualization, as well as blockchain technology. According to their white paper, the team has created products that have been successfully commercialized and used by top corporations, military, and government markets. There are many potential use cases for large computing projects based on distributed computing, such as weather analysis, machine learning, and edge computing. In addition, the global public cloud market is growing rapidly, and this project could stand to benefit from this trend. According to a research report cited by the team, the global public cloud market has grown from $68 billion in 2010 to $307 billion in 2017. It is projected to surpass $383 billion by 2020. As for our concerns, first of all, the development roadmap is rather vague and doesn't provide a lot of specifics on technical milestones or actual business development plans. The project will face competition from centralized public clouds such as Amazon, Microsoft, and Ali Cloud. There are also other blockchain solutions trying to provide low-cost decentralized computing services. Other blockchain players that may compete with them in one way or another include Golem, Som, Hadron, Akash Network, Hyper Network, R-Chain, and Anchor Network. As I mentioned earlier, there is no prototype or alpha available yet until the end of September. And finally, the project uses delegated proof of stake, which is not a very decentralized consensus algorithm. Overall, we have a neutral view on this ICO for flipping. The project has so far generated average market awareness. It also does not seem to differentiate significantly from other distributed computing projects. Based on the current ICO market environment, we currently have a neutral view on its short-term potential. For long-term holding, we also have a neutral view. The development of this project is still at a very early stage as compared to other similar blockchain projects. Within the distributed computing space, we have our eyes on Hadron at the moment because of its team, partnership, and development progress. We did a review on Hadron back in June, which you're welcome to check out. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Twitter and Facebook, and join our Telegram group to get our latest updates. The invite link to our Telegram channel can be found in the video description. Hope you're having a great day and keep crushing it.